Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to do a fade to black in CapCut. Please note this lesson is for the laptop version only, as the layout is different on a phone. This is perfect for ending your nature or sleep videos like these waves here at Muraway, without a sudden jarring jump. First, we need to bring in our video. Go to the menu, click on File, and then select Import. Choose the file you'd like to fade to dark. I'm using this beautiful footage of Muraway Beach and drag it onto your timeline. Look at the right side of the screen, above the timeline. You can click the plus button to make the timeline bigger. To see your whole project at once, click the minus button to make it smaller. Now, we want the fade to start exactly at the 6-minute mark. Move your playhead to 6 minute. Select your clip and split it there. With the clip selected, go to the Video tab, then Basic, and find Opacity and lock the opacity at 100%. Click the keyframe diamond icon next to opacity. Next, move your playhead to 7 minute where you want it to be completely dark. Split the clip again. Click the keyframe icon again at the 7-minute mark, and this time, slide the opacity down to 0%. Because we set those 2 points, CapCut will now slowly blend the video into total darkness over those 1 minute. It creates a seamless, relaxing transition for your viewers as they drift off to sleep. To make the rest of the video dark, stay at the 7-minute mark and ensure the opacity is set to 0% for the remainder of your footage. This keeps the screen completely black, while your Pacific Ocean sounds continue to play, allowing your viewers to sleep without any light distraction. And that's it. A smooth, professional fade into total darkness. If this helped you with your sleep channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips. To save your video, make sure you choose the 16:9 ratio, which is the standard YouTube size. Once that's set, click Export in the top right corner, and you're done. Happy editing!